In today's interconnected global economy, businesses often require their employees to travel internationally for meetings, conferences, and project collaborations. Obtaining and extending business visas for these purposes can be a complex and time-consuming process, potentially causing delays and disruptions in operations. I will explore strategies to optimize business visa processing and extension, enabling companies to seize global opportunities efficiently while minimizing administrative burden. Thoroughly understand visa regulations and requirements. Understanding the specific visa regulations and requirements for each destination country is the first step in streamlining the processing and extension of business visas. Research the visa categories, duration, and necessary documentation, such as invitation letters, proof of purpose, and financial support. Being well-informed will help avoid unnecessary delays and ensure compliance with immigration laws. Utilize technology and online visa processing. Technology plays a vital role in simplifying and expediting visa processing and extensions. Many countries offer online visa applications, providing a streamlined and efficient way to submit required information. Utilize these digital platforms to save time and resources by submitting applications electronically. Additionally, explore the possibility of collaborating with specialized visa service providers experienced in business visa processing. These agencies have the expertise and established networks to effectively navigate the intricacies of visa applications, ensuring a smooth and timely process. Effective communication and documentation. Clear and timely communication between employees, human resources departments, and immigration authorities is crucial for visa processing and extensions. Establish open lines of communication to address any queries or concerns promptly and gather all necessary documentation in advance. Implementing a centralized document management system facilitates easy access to required documents, ensuring that all necessary materials are organized and readily available. This reduces the risk of delays due to missing paperwork and ensures compliance with visa application requirements. Proactive planning and monitoring. Proactive planning is essential to avoid any disruptions caused by expired visas. Regularly monitor visa expiration dates to ensure timely renewal or extension. Starting the process well in advance allows for sufficient time to gather the necessary documents and complete the required procedures. Implementing a comprehensive visa tracking system can streamline this process. This system can send automated reminders for impending visa renewals and keep all relevant stakeholders informed, reducing the risk of non-compliance and unexpected visa expirations. Engage with immigration consultants. Engaging with immigration consultants who specialize in business visas can provide valuable assistance in navigating the complexities of the visa application and extension process. These professionals stay updated with evolving immigration regulations and can offer expert guidance tailored to specific business needs. Immigration consultants can help streamline the visa application process by providing accurate information, advising on required documentation, and ensuring compliance with immigration laws. Their expertise can save time and resources while ensuring a smooth visa processing experience. Efficient and streamlined business visa processing and extensions are crucial for organizations aiming to capitalize on global opportunities. By thoroughly understanding visa regulations, leveraging technology for online applications, maintaining effective communication and documentation, proactively planning and monitoring visa expiration dates, and engaging with immigration consultants, businesses can streamline visa processing, reduce administrative burden, and minimize disruptions. Investing time and effort early in the visa process ensures compliance, promotes operational efficiency, and enables seamless business travel for employees. With these strategies in place, companies can unlock global opportunities and nurture prosperous international collaborations. If you need to process business visa or make extension of your stay in Nigeria, please contact PeaceRyde for an efficient, effective, and professional service. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.